Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be a spring lookbook. I'm just gonna design some, or style I should say, some pieces in my closet. So this top right here is from Lovely Wholesale. Use Brains 10 for 10% off if you shop their website. The pants are Zara, shoes are Ego, the bag is Ross. I feel like this is a vibe. What do you guys think? This one piece is also from Lovely Wholesale. I love this detail. I love the long sleeve. I love everything about it. It is perfection. I have it on with some Perplex heels. Can't go wrong with Perplex heels. This bag is actually from Ross. So yeah. Let me see you. So this is the next outfit. This outfit is from Boohoo. I love the sleeve. Puffy sleeves are definitely on trend for spring, summer. I love the print also. It's very fierce. This is also very feminine, which I love. I love this detail. You can tie this as tight as you want. Give the girls a little bit of support. I also love the material. It's giving me Rihanna Wild Thoughts video. Okay. So this is the next outfit. The shorts are from Boohoo. The top is from Lovely Wholesale. Absolutely love this ruching design. If I were actually gonna wear this, I would definitely go braless and just put on some skin tone pasties. But for the sake of YouTube, this bra will have to do. I have on some Perspex heels from Ego. And this is how I would style this for spring.
So the shoes are from Boohoo, and by this time my feet was killing me. The bag are from Shein. I recently hauled them. I'll link them. And the dress is from Lovely Wholesale.
So you guys saw this outfit in the Lovely Wholesale haul. You guys asked what shoes would I wear with this outfit. These are the shoes that I would wear. These are some mules from Ego, and I feel like they go perfect.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.